Hey, good afternoon from Scott Duckworth. We're going to talk about 4 things you're probably not doing, and we're going to learn from my mistakes that happened today. All right. If you want to refer back, I got a brand new radiator I put in today because I went to the shade tree mechanic that ruined my radiator. Refer back to that horror story. Straight to the point. I got to just checking everything. Here I'm preaching, but I'm not practicing. I'll wear that. I checked the brake fluid over here. It was very, very low. Had to add probably down to about my thumb here, right in there. Very low. Number 2, my battery was sluggish. I pulled off, now this is a maintenance battery. If you can see here, pop these 2 caps off. It needed water. Shame on me. And by the way, use distilled water only. Don't use city water or especially well water with the crap in it. So that battery was a bit sluggish. I got my battery charger on there now. And always check your coolant level. There's 2 places for that, over here and over there. But just read your owner's manual. Last but not, well, there's 2 more things. Check your power steering level. If you're not sure, refer to your owner's manual, or just, hey, go by to your local tire shop. They'll probably help you out with that. Now, this is the last and most important thing, or very important. I checked the spare tire in the trunk. Now, keep in mind, I drive this car, this 96 Camry, which is around the 400,000 mile mark. I drive it from the East Coast to Jasper, Texas, fairly often. Now, spare tire was very low. Now, we're going to go check my wife's tire. Now, she does better maintenance than I do, I'll admit it. She is one of those that stays on top of things. We're going to come up here to her SUV. Let's pop the trunk. Let's check her tire. I'm willing to bet it's probably inflated. And on my old car, did I say this or not? It needs air. And here I am traveling, covering that many miles. Now, I'm not going to get the gauge out, but let's just look. The tire feels pretty hard to me. Make it use a little bit. What I'm saying is, do those 4 or 5 things. Check that tire pressure in not only on your main tires on your car, but your spare tire. It can get you out of a bind quickly. Thank you. This is Scott in South Georgia.